Hi guys, today we wanted to show you 5 best tips for Samsung Galaxy A53 5G device, so let's go ahead and start. The first tip, just open up the settings, find display, and then look for motion smoothness. Tap on it, and as you can see you have two modes, the first one being the high motion smoothness, second one being the standard motion smoothness. What it basically is that in standard the screen refresh rate is 60 Hz, and in the high motion smoothness mode the screen refresh rate is 120 Hz. So just note the fact that standard gets you longer battery life, and the high motion smoothness mode gets you smoother animations and scrolling experience, so choose whatever works better for you. The next one is the edge panels tip, which is also located in a display settings. Let me scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it is right here, edge panels. Turn it on, and I'll just turn on the dark mode for you to see this panel. As you can see, it is right here, this gray little panel. Tap on it and swipe left. So it's pretty much the quick access to the apps that you need the most, and I will show you how you can customize this bar, how you can customize this panel. Press on these 3 white lines, choose edit. I'll just go ahead and remove Google and Gmail shortcuts, and I want to add my files, and I want to add settings. Let me get back to the home screen and show you the panel, and as you can see the Gmail and Google shortcuts have been replaced with My Files and Settings shortcuts, so you can customize it any way you want. It's up to you. The next cool tip I wanted to show you guys is the shutter button in the camera. So let me open up the camera of this phone. It is right here, and let me show you real quick. If you'll swipe this shutter button to the bottom, like here, you will enter the burst shot mode, which allows you to make great amounts of pictures in a very short period of time. In order to enable this function, go to the camera settings, which are located on the top left corner of your screen. Look for swipe shutter button 2, tap on it and choose take burst shot, or if you want you can also choose create GIF images. And moving on to the next tip, which is the number block. In order to activate this feature, open up the dialer, find these 3 little dots, tap on them, choose settings, block numbers, and now you can add any number to your blacklist. In order to do so, just type it in and press the green plus sign. There is also a cool function which allows you to block unknown and private numbers. You can turn it on as well if you want. And that's pretty much it for this tip. And the last but not least will be the tip on how can you hide the apps on this magnificent phone. So for example, if you are having exams soon and you need to study real hard, but you get distracted all the times by, for example, some social media apps, you can go ahead and hide them so you will not stumble upon them. Let me show you real quick. So as you can see, I have a Facebook app right here. In order to hide it, I need to tap and hold on any empty space you have on your home screen, choose settings, look for hide apps section, tap on it. Now right here, just choose an app that you want to hide. In my case it's Facebook, and then don't forget to press done. And right now, as you can see, it is no longer here. The Facebook icon has disappeared. The app itself has not been deleted. Please note this fact, it has just been hidden. That's pretty much it. And in order to get the app visible again, just do pretty much the same actions. Call out for this menu, press settings, hide apps, press on Facebook to make it visible again, and press on done. And as you can see, it has appeared right here. And That was pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.